Well, would you look at that? It is one of the legendary Ram 2500s equipped with the inline 659 Cummins turbo diesel. It has 24 valves of oppression to make sure that you can get places in quick succession. It's beautiful, it's spicy, it reminds me it could even be a little bit ricey. I love pickup trucks and this one's the best!